So the next thing I have is this Max, what is this? Let me fix my eyebrows. Okay. Hey guys, so I know it's been a while, but I'm back. And today I decided to film a video just trying some new stuff for you guys. I've been getting like a lot, well, I recently got a lot of new makeup, so I figured I'd test it out on camera for you guys. And so we're just gonna go right on ahead and get shit started. So, I guess I could start with my face. So the first thing, I have tried this and I didn't realize this when I bought it. I thought that it was just like pretty, like I didn't think that it would leave gold flecks all over my face, but it's the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Gold Light. It's very, very pretty. You guys, like, you can like see it like swirling around in there. But like I said, this does leave gold specks on your face, so I would recommend only using it before your makeup. And I am going to be using the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. This used to be black. I don't know if this is like the exact same thing, but I do like this sponge, so I'll be right back. So I just wet my sponge. Just wet my sponge. This is what it looks like wet, and I did wash it as well. I feel like the key to preventing breakouts and just like preventing anything on your face is washing your beauty sponge every time you use it. I'm going to go ahead and prime first, and I will be using the Benefit Professional. I use this in pretty much every video. Did you guys see that? You don't need that much. So I'm gonna try color correcting for the first time today. I've never tried color correcting. So this is the LA Pro Conceal. This is the orange color corrector, and I'm really only gonna put it where I have like the really dark spots and like the spots that don't like to go away no matter what I put on them. So that's just gonna be like right in this inner portion of my eye, and like these raccoon circles that you see is really gonna be the only place that I'm gonna color correct, and then maybe these dark spots on my cheeks. Okay, now that I look completely crazy, we're gonna go ahead and try this. Like I said, guys, I've never color corrected, so you know. And like I said, I'm almost positive that that I put too much, but we're gonna see. We're just gonna keep on rolling with it, and you know, pray that this gets better. So next I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is in the color 390. I didn't have anyone color match me because I'm that girl, but I'm praying that this is my shade, and I know that I'm so late trying this, but better late than never, right? So I did also get some LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer, but I'm gonna save this for next time. I'm not gonna try this today. I just thought I'd mention it. So I'm gonna shake this up, and then I'm gonna pump it onto the back of my hand, just like that. That's what the color looks like, and then I'm just gonna rub it in a little bit. I like warming up my foundations on the back of my hand these days, and then I'm just gonna put it on my face. Okay, so this color is okay. I look kind of crazy on, well, actually no, I look okay on camera. I just like, my eyes are still kind of orange, so I'm just gonna go in with like another pump or two and just layer that where I think I need more coverage. Okay, so this is the foundation after I added another 2 pumps to it. I really only needed like another pump, but it was on the back of my hand, so I used it. The color is okay. It's a little bit dark, but I think it'll do. You can't really tell on camera, so I can get away with this. My face is always a lot darker than my body, so it is what it is. I have is this MAC Studio Fix 24-hour smooth wear concealer in NC48. I'm so excited to try this. I think I like MAC products. I don't really know. I know I like their Fix Plus, so yeah, that's what that looks like. So I'm just gonna use this to highlight. Oh yeah, this is like the perfect highlight shade for me. Because this guy, like, I had one of the employees color match me, and he did a very good job. I liked him. He was nice. Don't remember his name, but he was nice. And then while I let this dry down on my face a little bit, I'm going to be cream contouring with this e.l.f. cream contour palette. I'm going to be going in with these bottom two shades and mixing them and putting them all over my face. Okay, so now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder and set all the places that I put that MAC concealer. And that concealer is really, really pretty. It blended out really nicely. It is a nice like little highlight for me, so it's really pretty. I like it so far. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be trying this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Mahogany. This is the second to the darkest color. The lady at Sephora was saying that these do dry down a little bit darker than what they appear in the pan, so we'll see about that. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. Okay, that's on the floor. This powder is really pretty. I like it. Don't mind my pimple. Really pretty. I'm really liking all these face products so far, so that's good. And then we're just gonna keep it pushing here. So to further set that contour that I did, I'm going to use the NYX matte bronzer. This is in the shade Deep. So that's what that looks like. This stuff looks so light. Like when I brought it home and I opened it, I was like, this is not going to do anything for me. But it actually is very dark, so. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the eyes really quickly. Okay, so for the eyes, I don't usually do this, but I see Nicole Guerrero do it and it looks really pretty on her, and I just want to try it, so I'm going to. This is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. This isn't anything new, but I'm just going to take this and put this all over my lid. Okay, guys. So, oh, actually, I didn't highlight. Let me highlight real quick, guys. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just wanted to come back to give you my final thoughts on all the products. So this Fix Plus, the gold light one, I was going to return it, but I do like it does make your skin look luminous and pretty. I just probably wouldn't spray it over my makeup unless I was like going out or something, then it'd be fine, but I guess I will keep it. I do like it. As far as the Fenty Foundation goes, oh, I thought I lost it. As far as the Fenty Foundation goes, it is very, very pretty. It's okay coverage, and the finish is nice, and it does just really just look like my skin. Like doesn't even look like I have makeup on, so really cool. And then same for the concealer. The concealer is really cool. I'm not creasing. Maybe just a little bit, but it's nothing major. This looks like my skin also. Like, my skin looks great right now, you guys. Like, I don't know if you can really tell from this angle, but my skin looks great. Like, great. So yeah, and then as far as this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder goes, same for this, guys. Like, I loved everything that I tried. My skin looks like skin. Like, I keep saying that, but my skin looks like skin, guys. Like, look. It doesn't even look like I have foundation on, but my skin still looks good. Like, I like the way I look right now, so it's poppin'. And yeah, the color correcting, I think it did work for once. I can't see the dark circles as much. So yes, this stuff definitely did work. You just have to be careful with this. Don't put too much. And yeah. So that was pretty much everything that I tried. This was more of a complexion, you know, trying new makeup, which I'm not like, I don't really ever focus on my skin. I'm more into eyeshadow, so I wanted to, you know, branch out and try something different. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Let me know if you guys like it. Like I said, I really like everything that I tried. Nothing like didn't work for me or anything like that. So that's cool. So yeah, if you guys like it, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one, and thanks for tuning back in. Bye guys. So I just miss you, I just miss us, baby.